one tech tool that you can't live without. Tech buzzword that you mostly dislike.
The real value of digital transformation is agility.
What is your favorite gadget?
So businesses can respond faster, scale smarter, and deliver better experiences.
It's a world of AI. So have you ever wished that you could turn your documents and data manual entry in hours? So stick around to listen to our story today. And it's been always a question that handling the documents for businesses is very difficult nowadays. So today it's time for Tech Talk with me, Charmy, where you will listen to the stories that matter. And today we are diving into something amazing, the AI tool, the new in market, the AiExtract, AI-powered document intelligence tool. And today we are having none other than Gokul with us from the AiExtract product team, who will be helping us to get some insights on AI, on document processing, document intelligence, and how the AiExtract tool is helping businesses to bring some more impact. So today we are diving into something game-changing and something very amazing. And today we are having our guest Gokul with 15 years of experience into AI and technology, and he has been helping so many businesses into their digital transformation journey with AI advocacy for many years nowadays. So hi Gokul, a very warm welcome.
Thank you, Charmy. Excited to be here today.
Alright, so can you start by telling us that there is a big question in the market that for any businesses to handle the tons of document is still very struggling after AI is in the picture, right? Yeah. So, can you tell us about the journey of your product, like how this idea was initiated or how this came up?
Sure, Charmy. Thank you so much. So digital transformation, right? So whenever we talk about the digital transformation or the journey of a digital transformation for any enterprise, or large enterprise, or even the mid-sized enterprise, right? People often stuck towards the cloud transformation or to the technology or to the automation, right? But the bottleneck which is start with is about the unstructured data, right? Having said that, that's the bottleneck of any organization which is willing to go onto the digital transformation journey, right? And that has been ignored at the bigger level at all the organizations, right? Having said that, working with more than in the recent case with the same product, which we are going to dive in more about it today. With the same product, working with 3 customers in US, we identified the data, unlocking the unstructured data into the real manner, right? Getting to the real database or something, right? We need to work on this, right? And hence our team has come up with the product called the AiExtract.
Right. So you mentioned that you have been working with some industries in the some companies in US, right? So I was just thinking if you can throw some lights on industries, like this product is for which industry or how this product.
So Charmy, just to let you know, right? So any industry who deals with the data, right? So data could be coming from HR, could be coming from procurement, invoice, sales, feedback, customers, forms, right? Any form of data, any organization is dealing with it, the product is useful for them, right? So give you more insight, the customers which we work on, it's a manufacturing, large manufacturings. They have their invoices, challan, bill, right? It's coming sometimes in PDF, sometimes a bit of it messy data, right? A lot of HR industry, right? They have their resumes, they have a lot of forms, right? It's all coming from the different sources. At the same time, the legal industry, right? So legal industry is highly getting benefited out of it. Right? So all the legal documents which is getting day by day evaluated, our tool is able to do the extract the meaningful data out of it.
So that's awesome. So now one of my curious question is I would like to know that what is the AiExtract?
Yeah. So the AiExtractor uses AI and OCR and pattern recognition to extract the meaningful data. Okay. Now, after extracting the data, always organizations are willing to store the data, use the data as per their certain requirements, right? So some might be asking, to put it into the AWS, put it into the Salesforce, put it into the Microsoft BI and all this, right? Our tool is very simple enough, customizable, and it's easy to integrate with any of the environment which organizations are using it, right? Having said that, it can also give you the JSON format data, right? So whatever the extraction is coming up, we can get you into the kind of a JSON format, right? From there you can pick up the data as you want.
So means using JSON, I can there's no restriction of the capturing the data into any of the tool, right?
Not at all, not at all.
Okay.
Simply answer is no. It is whatever the tool technology you are using it, we have that capability to integrate it in your environment.
Okay, awesome. So, I know that you have been part of this journey of this product when this product was at the ideation stage, correct? So now I wanted to know that you mentioned me right earlier when we were discussing that you are having the patent of this product, right?
Yes.
So can you
Yeah.
talk about the journey?
So there has been a lot of sector tools in the market, right? But when we start getting into, we understand there is a pain, there is a gap, there is a acceptability, there is an adaptability issue, right? And this is continue with all the mid-size, large size, or small organizations, right? So same problem, same gap in the technology was there, right? When we get into it, after working with all the larger enterprises, small enterprises, we came to know what exactly this industry need.
Okay.
And then we develop it, we went ahead, we filed the IP, we got the patent, and now the product is fully ready to go into the market.
Awesome, awesome. And now, we'll just move out of the topic a little bit because I'm very much interested to hear about your journey in the technology, the AI and technology.
Okay, sure. So my journey has been more with the larger organizations, enterprise organizations. I work with automotive, manufacturing, education tech industry, right? Having said that, a lot of databases, a lot of enterprise ready tools I had been working on, right? Having said that, when we utilizing all this journey for this product, right? When we started coming in, we considered, all these segments, all the sectors should be get benefited out of it. What product we are building in, right? There should not be restrictions, right? So adaptability of the product is when it is not restricted to the size of organizations or the nature and the business of the organization, right? So we try to solve those problems first. Me myself has been always with the digital transformation journey, helping consulting a lot of enterprise customers across the globe, right? And having said that, the one thing while talking to CTOs, the technology leads, the AI practitioners, I always come to know, right? They are willing to go with their next digital transformation, right? And the reason being there is a lot of pressures on the organizations also to cut down the cost, fix on the compliance, right? Bring the best technology, which is which is future ready for them, right? Having said that, while consulting in all these segments, it is always the bottleneck. It comes to as a data, right? And we always seen, right? A lot of people, a lot of philosophies there on the data, saying this, data is the next fuel, or data is a key, or something like this, right? But that's true, right? But the thing is that most of the organizations are not able to address this just because there is a dependency on the vendor, there is a dependency on the formats, there is a dependency on the documents coming, right? So just think of it in a day or in a month, right? More than thousands of data points coming from the different vendors, different source, different team, different kind of a departments, right? But the thing is that's actually is a bigger hurdle in going to the digital success of any digital transformation for any company, right? Our goal is to address this with the right product now we have in the market. The best is to get this first bottleneck, the problem got solved, is putting all the data into the structured manner and then kick off the digital transformation journey for any organization.
Right, because I have been hearing from my clients also, they are still, they are having a very good platforms in their system, but still they are dealing with unstructured data. So I can say that this product, the AiExtract, is something for the departments or the teams who deals with tons of documents, and this product will help them to make their process productive, more productive. Not eliminating the process, but it will be more productive so that the team members can invest their time on strategizing the data, the patterns, and
Correct.
the work on data model and something like that.
Correct. So the whole idea is, right, digital transformation, people start with all the excitements, right? Enterprises are pouring money to get this started, right? But the technology leaders stuck at certain point, right? And the 80% of the technology leaders got stuck just because when it start coming the data from when they start handling the data into their digital transformation journey, right? And that's the problem, right? What we are trying to tell is, with this product, what we are trying to solve is, you have this tool, right? You fix your first initial problems first, right? You make the data, whatever the data source is coming in, you make it with the structured data, you make it is a meaningful, and the more precisely I can say is, the best thing is the way you want this data to be in your system, right? So you have those flexibility. This is what we ensure first.
Okay, great. So Gokul, so now it's time for our quick bite segment that will be a small rapid fire round. Okay, so I'll be asking some questions and like it should be very rapid. Okay?
Sure.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's get started with our quick bite segment. So very first question is one tech tool that you can't live without.
It's Microsoft Outlook. I can't live without.
I agree. Then tech buzzword that you mostly dislike.
Tech buzzword which I dislike is Gen AI.
Why Gen AI?
Right, so Gen AI just because the industry, the market, the technology leaders are going behind it, right, and they are pouring money like anything. And if you just see in next 2 to 3 years or a year, right, the outcome is not as what the industry were expecting it, right. More than 90% of Gen AI models or the investments are still not able to secure any revenue. So that's the reason.
Okay, so now which is your favorite gadget?
My favorite gadget is my phone, the Samsung, which
I was expecting that.
Yeah.
Everyone's favorite is phone nowadays. Okay, so quickly a last question. So being involved into a global sales, and you are dealing with 5 different countries, right? So I'm sure that you must be dealing with tons of documents again. So what you would prefer, with paper or without paper, like paperless?
I prefer paperless, and not even me, my customers also prefer the paperless solution when I go and propose them.
Okay, so now you talked about your customers also, right? So I would love to ask you and maybe request you to throw some more insights on that.
Customer side of journey?
Customer side of journey, like why paperless?
Okay. See, now just I talk about, right, the digital transformation, right? So every organization, the partner, the company which we are working with, right, they are always asking for solutions which are fit in their digital journey, right? And having said that, what made us apart and unique as other partners they are working with, right, is the time which we turn up, right? So being into 5 countries, sales, marketing, I have to keep sending proposals, solutions, right? I have to keep sending them a lot of documents. Sometimes we also provide engineering resources and the technical product co-innovation we also do for them, right? So we have to deal with all day in day out solutions which we do provide. We provide with our some of the solution which is our in-house build into the product which I just talked about, the AiExtractor. In this we have resume parser, and we have a tool called procurement analysis, right? So procurement analysis is just a quick tool which a lot of RFP proposals, quotations are coming in, and you wanted to extract the key information from tons of data or the thousands of documents, whatever, right? In just a quick single click, That's the solution which we are coming up with the customers, and that keep us unique from other partners.
So then this is amazing. I guess like since you mentioned that you are having few functionalities or tools within the product,
Yeah.
right? So now it's not restricted to, like, it's not mandatory for company if they are purchasing the product that they can have their customized. Let's say if they are staffing company, then they can go for procurement analysis and a resume parser only, right?
Yeah, that's what we are saying, right? So we any industry, it could be the HR, logistic, then hotel and management, hotel industry, right? Logistic, the HR, legal, right? Manufacturing, any organization, right? So we have different functionality, ready to use templates are there. It's just quick and go.
Customized for every industry.
Of course.
Customized package, right?
Yes, that's the unique.
Like it depends on business problem, so it would be customized accordingly.
Correct. That's the uniqueness we have.
Correct. So moving a little bit towards the product. So some few questions I would like to ask. Okay. So my first question is, can the AI extract, implemented in my existing system?
Of course, yes.
Okay.
Can be. If whatever, I mean, it's like, this is what I'm saying, right? There's no technology restrictions, right? If you're using public cloud, you're using private cloud, we have capability to host it there.
Okay.
And whatever the database even you're using, right? Whatever it's like AWS, MS, BI, Salesforce, right?
Okay.
We have a capability to integrate over there.
Amazing. So, the next one is like, do this product, if I implement this product, will I need to make any changes in my current tech stack?
No. Answer is simple.
Not required. Because since this is a custom package, right? So that's why I was concerned that
it's not required, right? So whatever you're using database or the cloud, right? We can decide over there.
So this will be like kind of an additional add-on kind of thing.
Yeah, just the add-on. In your existing environment, it's just an add-on.
Correct. Okay. So now, before we wrap up the discussion, okay, I would like to ask you like a one-liner about what would be the one-line description about this product.
Okay. So the AI extractor. Okay. So it's a real value, digital transformation. The real value of digital transformation is agility, right? Okay. Tools like AiExtract removes bottleneck. So businesses can respond faster, scale smarter, and deliver better experiences. That's the one line I can say on this. Amazing. Okay, so thank you so much, Gokul, for being with us today. Okay, and the insights you gave to our audience was amazing, and thank you so much everyone for staying with us today to listen to the stories that matters, and we'll see you again in the next episode. Thank you.